We are delighted to have Vibha Gupta with us today, who will help us understand Ikebana and also do a few live demonstrations. Vibha has learned Ikebana, has been trained in the Sogetso style, and has received the Rigi degree. Vibha also runs Flowercraft Inc., a company that offers floral designs and gifting solutions. Friends, join me in welcoming Vibha to our session.
Is that okay
Yeah,
now?
yeah. Sorry.
So I'm very happy to be here for the Archana Club. And
Thank you.
it's a pleasure. And Rajshri, thank you for inviting me. So she asked me to present an Ikebana demonstration, but I thought, and she also felt that since it's going to be Diwali soon, so I'm presenting an Ikebana in a Diwali with a Diwali festive mood. So the first arrangement I'm presenting is I have put up this stand and I made a structure out of these very thin sticks. They were like thin sticks like this, which are joined together and made a form in this manner. And once you make this form, you join two forms together and so this is, I made half of it, and to make one more, I'll have to join it. Members are waiting. Are you able to see?
Yes.
So now
Yes,
when I join this, so I'm taking a wire, which is like a thin copper wire, and I put it like this. So once you've tightened it, you turn it around and you tighten it all the way till the end. These are Malaysian cane sticks, which are easily available at Four Walls and Pollination. You can all go and buy from there. They're available in different colors, and they're also available in plain cream and red and green, and this is the brown color. So once you've done this, this is the shape that becomes. Once you have two shapes, you join the two together to make such a shape. And when you make about 7 to 8 these kind of shapes, then you can like sort of assemble and put it together the way I have done it. So I first took a stand and I have hung a small jali on which I'm going to place my Ganesh Lakshmi.
Vibhaji, what is the jali that you have used? Like, is that a wooden tray or something? जिस पे आपने वो idols रखे हैं?
It's actually a metal stand.
Okay.
And it was covered with sisal jute roll.
Okay.
And I'm going to use a ceramic vase underneath here to add in the flowers. So it's not necessary that you have made the metal structure, so all the flowers have to come from there only. So, you can use another container to bring out it, but it will look like as if it's connected with that.
Okay.
And I've also put one small container behind here so that I can balance the two and make an arrangement.
Okay. Is it possible for you to just turn that structure a little bit so that we can see the second container? Is it doable?
Yeah. I've luckily I had a gas trolley, so I have put my structure on
Okay,
my
so
gas trolley.
it's rotating.
I can rotate
Oh,
it.
perfect. Thanks.
So can you see that container?
Yeah.
There's a small white container over there, which I have attached behind.
And what is this jali that you have used, the round jali?
This actually is a container in which we make bouquets. So you just have to be, innovative and think of how you can. So when you have a thought or an idea in your mind, you think of, okay, now how am I going to put that thing together? So I borrowed this stand from my student Madhvi.
We can
And,
Vibha, we can use that जाली ना, that जो flower को sieve करने के लिए use करते हैं,
yeah,
जो
you can
flower
use
को
any.
sieve करते हैं, तो उससे भी वो अच्छी जाली बन जाएगी ना, transparent
Yeah,
जाली.
but you need it to be strong. It
Yeah,
has to
strong
be
हो
able to
जाता
take
है.
the weight.
Yeah.
It should be able to take the weight.
Okay.
And this is a wooden box in which we normally make bouquets. So I have just turned it over and I have colored it gold to match it with that title. So you just have to be innovative. It's not that you have everything ready lying with you. So once you put your thoughts into action, you will find a solution for it.
Perfect.
So now I'm going to be using flowers in this, because a little bit of fresh flowers always enhances the arrangement. The flowers I'm using are Myroclodus and pink oriental lilium. So when you're putting the flowers into the arrangement, you have to be very careful that you do not lose the structure that you've created. Otherwise, the beauty, if the structure ka beauty is lost, then it's of no point making that structure.
So, Vibhaji, can I rightly say that in a Ikebana arrangement, you all are not using any floral foam to
Yes.
hold your
No,
material?
there is no floral foam. This vase is it's got a very
Closed
nice
mouth. Okay.
No, it's got a very nice character in the sense the edges inside are very rough.
Okay.
So the moment I put a stem, it stays where I put it.
Perfect.
So you have to just make sure that it touches the wall of
Okay.
the container.
Okay.
What if someone doesn't have that container?
You have to be innovative.
You can see the brown structure. I don't know if you all can see from so far.
Yeah.
Is it visible?
Yeah, visible.
And even the size of the container is important. It should not be too tall or too short.
Yeah.
You can use the glass containers that you get na in the market.
Yes,
The
you can use
transparent
glass
glass containers.
Yeah, you can use glass cylinders, but then you just have to be careful that whatever is showing inside the water is, not looking ugly. The
Yeah.
stem lines and everything.
Yeah.
So back movement is always very important in Ikebana. So this is my first arrangement. I hope you all enjoyed
Yes,
it.
yes.
Wow, it was done in a jiffy.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Damn good.
Later I will click pictures and I will send it to you all. But I know the background is white, so you can't see everything clearly.
But
Okay.
Vibha, please just click Zoom pictures and post it so that our members can see
Yes,
it
yes.
on
I'll do
their.
it today evening itself.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Members, when you use a transparent container, you put some leaves inside the container at the edge of the wall of the container.
Samhan.
You understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Also want to know, how did you attach the second container which is behind that jali?
See,
I have attached it with wire. So it was a small plastic container. So and because it's a metal stand, it's got a frame. So I can attach it to it. You have to find the mechanics. And you have to know how much weight you're going to put into that vase or that container, and accordingly use a container accordingly.
Thank you.
good technique. For doing the arrangements today, she has removed all the furniture from her house.
Wow.
Really, it is a very big task to do a arrangement, to give a demo in this COVID time. I really thank Vibha for it.
Yeah, and actually I didn't realize how much work it really is.
Yeah.
And especially having a grandkid in the house, it is really been a
She's just become a nanny now 2 months before, and her daughter is just living with her now for some time. So congratulations to you, Vibha.
yeah, thank you. For the second arrangement, I'm going to show you a toran. Now this whole thing, you have to imagine this brown thing is your door, because I can't really go outside and do it on the door. So I have used a stand. So basically this is your design, which will come on your door. So we always, make things ready and send it to our clients. And now in this, for when we send to the clients, of course, we use the OSs. But today, because it's an Ikebana demo, I'm not using any OSs anywhere. And I've used tubes which are hidden behind. If I'll show you, I have I have 4 or 5 tubes, if you can see. So you can, add water
Yes.
into that. And I've also camouflaged some tubes inside the
Structure.
inside this structure. There are small tubes inside the structure as well. So now to create that structure, what I did was, the whole back thing is say about a 4-inch putty, a cream putty which has got a jali inside. If you can see, there's a jali that I have put inside. The chicken wire mesh.
You can get it from the hardware store.
Yeah, anywhere you'll get this chicken wire mesh. So it's not just sisal fiber, it's 2 layers of sisal fiber. In between that is a chicken wire mesh. So I gave it a rounded shape. So once I put a broad putty, then each piece was made separately, and I've stuck the shola flowers on it.
So Vibha, how did you manage to stick these? Have you used Fevicol to
No, I had
glue gun.
I've used the glue gun.
even for the
So-
chicken wire and this sheet, the jute sheet?
No. The chicken wire, you can just wire it, no? Because there's a wire that it's got a support.
Okay.
So like it's this I want to do. I don't need to stick. I
Okay.
just need to put wires.
Wires. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I put wires in a few spots, and this remains.
Perfect.
And then you just stick these shola flowers, because Diwali is very Indian and I wanted it to be contemporary. So this looks very Indian, but it still looks very contemporary. So I thought it will look very nice and modern. So I have used these flowers, and I have used these dudhi lat. It's called dudhi lat. They are these They're not Malaysian cane, but they are, like cream patla sticks which come like that. So even if you soak it and however you want to bend it, you can bend it. You can make it round. You can like. So what I've done is once I put the structure on it, all the three structures, I have woven it inside, in between. So because of the pressure of the two sides, it remains in place.
Okay.
Yes. Can you give the spelling for it? Of
This?
the, yeah.
Dudhi lat. Dudhi hoti hai na?
It's a dudhi nut. Okay.
Dudhi lat.
Dudhi. Yeah. Lat means creeper. So
Correct.
this is the local name which the Bengalis use for this material. It's available in Calcutta. Even the Shola flowers are available in Calcutta. And you can use this very easily available material. Even if you go to Dadar market and you'll ask the, the foolwalas, especially those who keep some dry material and green, they will call it for you. So you just have to show them images and they will bring it for you.
And is this the only color available, or we have color options also, or we could do it on our own?
Yeah, there are color options, but I don't know how well this will hold color. I've never tried coloring
Okay.
it.
Okay.
And but there are colored ones available, but not in the same material. They are available in a little kadak type of palm material.
Okay. And like, sorry, you have used 3 scallops. So if we have maybe a little bigger door, or we are doing it for some other purpose, we could add more scallops. Like instead of 3, we could have 5 and we could have 7.
Yeah.
Okay.
And like suppose you're transporting, like many times we have customers who have doors which are 5 feet and 6 feet. We make it in 2 parts.
Okay.
But when we take it there and when we assemble it, it looks like one.
Perfect.
So they don't come to know that it is, into 2 parts.
Okay.
So you can, but normally a normal door is always 3.5 feet, which is around 42 inches.
Okay.
So that's my experience. All the normal doors are around that size.
Okay.
So now for this, I'm using material now.
Okay. So a member wants to know that how do you fix the tubes if you're doing it on a door? I mean,
no, the tubes will be fitted on this metal thing. Can you see the metal? I have made a metal border.
Okay, so the tubes will be fitted on that. Okay.
Yes, the tubes will be fitted on that.
So the same way we can just have the wire through, and we can tie them up with the wire. Like,
yes,
we can pass the wire through your
So when
chicken
you're
mesh.
tying
Yeah.
When the chicken wire, when you tie the tubes to it,
Yeah.
you have to tie in 2 spots, because otherwise it will tilt.
Okay.
The moment there'll be a heavy stalk, like
Yeah.
now when I'm adding this heavy stalk, if I'm
Correct.
adding this,
Yeah.
if I had not tied it into 2 places, it would just tilt. I have a tube here, so I'm just adding it over here.
I hope that query is solved, member, that the tube is attached with the wire and at 2 places to give it sturdiness.
You need a very kadak type of wire, not very soft. This kind of thick wire.
Okay.
So you need to use this type of wire, because that's what will give it sturdiness. And you have to take a plier and really
Twist
pull
it. Yeah.
twist it. So you take a plier and pull and twist. So that is the main thing to, tie it tightly. This is a creeper which I just found in my complex. Normally we are not allowed to cut creepers, but or cut any material from our building, but I just found this and I just needed it because I just thought it was so apt for this arrangement. And the other material I'm using, I had actually ordered Crocosmia, but I didn't get. So one has to learn to, be able to substitute material and not be stuck with just one type of material. So I got these amaranthus, and I thought they would complement the other material that I'm using in this arrangement. So this arrangement is very simple. So I'm basically using bunches of, the material is not like this. I have cleansed it. So of course, when you get the material, you have to clean it up, remove all the excess leaves, place it into, groups like this. Can
Okay.
you all see?
Yes. She is using AirPods. But I think
She's using iPods.
she is using the AirPods. So
And we can hear very well. I'm hearing it very clearly.
Yeah, I'm using Rajshree's iPod.
No? The members who were saying the voice is low, so मैं बोले we can hear very well.
So I have these fat tubes behind where I'm using these groups of amaranthus. So you have to sort of space it out and see how it looks nice.
Which leaves are you using in this arrangement, Vibhaji?
I actually don't know the name of this creeper. I'm using it for the first time, but it gets beautiful orange flowers.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
wait.
When you go for a walk, find out some creepers for your own self.
Yeah, that's what we all do now. Like
Yeah.
people are only looking out for material. Their eyes are only searching for what
For
will look
material.
nice. And since I've used one green branch here, I also want to bring a bit of green down. So I've already pre-cut these materials because otherwise it would take very long and I would not be able to finish the demo on time. So I have these small tubes in here where I'm adding a bit more of this green.
Vibha, these tubes are easily available in Dadar market?
These are, when you buy orchids, you get them free with that.
Okay, those small ones. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Otherwise, also you can buy from Smithers Oasis. They
Okay.
have many other types of tubes,
Okay.
glass tubes, and many other varieties. If you go on their website, you'll find it.
Okay. Members, we'll put these names later on for all of you all on WhatsApp. So please don't worry right now.
कैसे क्यों? Oh, it's really mesmerizing.
The door has to open inside the house.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, if your door is opening outside, then you cannot have something hanging like this.
Yes.
But if it's opening inside, then you can have something like that. So when we always modify the arrangement according to how the customer's doors are. So every little detail has to be looked into when you're doing these things.
So, Vibha, if the door is opening outside, you can do the arrangement in an L shape, na? In the side.
Yeah, you can do on
Written.
the side, or you can, if there are nails more higher above, or you can just do a single standing hanging on one side.
Yeah.
It all depends. Sometimes the space is very congested and we can't do much. I've taken these glass baubles and I'm filling them with rose petals. So I bought these rose petals which are easily available in the market, and I will be filling in these glass baubles. Sani, idhar. So I have filled rose petals in these glass baubles like that. And so you really don't need too many flowers to make an impact. Even simple things like this can make it very beautiful. So now again, I have this wire which I will push through and tie it behind. So don't worry if you don't have like I'm having a metal frame. But if you don't have a metal frame, you still have your metal putty which you have made, the cream putty. Any questions?
Thank you. Always, Ikebana always says that you use less flowers and it will show more.
How will the petals remain fresh for a long time? That's the question.
You can change it, it's not difficult and it's not even expensive. So it's so easy to change. Every day you can change the petals. 2 दिन तो रह जाती है. But in case it doesn't stay for 2 days, you can always change the petals easily.
And maybe you can have variations, like one day you've added rose petals, maybe the next day you can do something else.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, and you can add tea light, or you
Yeah.
can add
Yeah, we could do tea lights for the evening. Is anybody in the waiting room?
I'm normally so used to having my team today.
Yeah.
Like I'm working alone, and but it's been really nice. Sometimes even that hands-on experience helps.
Yeah.
I think it was motivating us also to know that we can do it single-handedly.
Yeah, it's not that difficult actually. This lockdown has really taught us that there are so many things that you can do. I'm sure all of us have been cooking, have been doing things that they've never done in their life before.
True that.
So just make sure you can either, stagger the height of the baubles. You can make them up and down, or you can keep them all on the same level. So sky is the limit. You can do whatever you feel like.
And always flowers always put together gives a good color and gives a good warmth to your house.
But look at the simplicity of the material. There is hardly anything in this. It's just one good line and just one idea or one thought. So I really didn't go to, bring any unusual things from outside because there was no possibility to do that. So whatever I had in my workshop, I've used that.
Great.
So that's
Great.
my second arrangement.
Wow.
I hope
Looking
you like it. Now the next 3 arrangements I'll be doing on the table. So we did one with the goddess and goddesses, and now we did one door toran, and now we will do some table arrangements.
Vibha, I'm just putting a reminder again to you to not forget to send us the pictures because
No, that's
No,
Yeah.
that she will. That is the usual, that is the
Yeah.
habit. All the demonstrators always send the pictures, don't worry.
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah, it will be on the
Thanks.
Facebook also.
I mean, don't
worry.
mind me reminding you again and again, but that's really important for all of us.
No, of course I will send those
Yeah.
pictures.
Thanks.
I hope members will make an effort to do the arrangements
Okay, a lot of
at their house.
members, Vibha, a lot of members are asking about those glass bowls. So we understand that they're readily available in the market, right? The glass
Yes,
bubbles.
yeah.
That's what you
Yeah.
call it?
Bobbles, yes.
Yeah. And they come in various sizes, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Yes.
And does it have the string attached or we have to do that on our own? I mean,
No, it
generally.
has a little knob on the top, so you
Okay.
can attach either Kangus. Kangus is a transparent wire,
Yeah.
and or you can use a metal wire. Now here I used a metal wire because I knew I had to attach to
Okay.
stand.
Okay.
So if I used a Kangus, it wouldn't go through. I
Okay.
wouldn't be able to weave it through. So
Okay.
that is why I've used the wire, so it's easy to just.
And then depends on your arrangement. Maybe if you're doing something rustic, you could be even hanging it with a sutli or something. So it's
Yeah,
entirely
why
up to
not?
us. Yeah.
Why not?
Okay.
You can use anything. You can even use, like, if there are very strong roots, you can
Correct.
tie it with roots or anything that.
So you mean those banyan roots? What?
Now, banyan roots are not, they don't have that kind of strength,
Okay.
but certain materials do have strength which will hold. But
Correct.
even if you use those, it's always safe to use a wire because, if they fall down by mistake and hurt someone, we
Yeah.
don't want that, and happening in festive season.
And even like just to make your job simple, maybe we could just use a ribbon, a satin ribbon or something. I mean,
Yeah, anything,
whatever
depending on
goes
your
well in your arrangement, right?
whatever is your theme. Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect.
Now my next arrangement, I'm doing a buffet table arrangement. I had these lovely containers, and I just thought that why not? Diwali is about diya and diye ki law. So I just saw these. I had these containers from a long time, and I just thought I'll use them. And they have the shape of a diya. So I'll be using multiple containers.
And Vibha, what are these coasters? I mean, have you made them or are
No.
these
We
ready?
get it ready.
Okay.
No, these are my student Preeti has lent them to me,
Okay.
and I was searching for some base, and I just thought they look like rangoli.
Okay.
And I
So
thought,
can you just
let me-
show one, yeah, perfect. So members, can you see?
They are like Betka, they are like cane posters.
Yeah.
You will get it, I think, even in Bandra, those shops which are selling cane stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure you will
Or
find it
maybe
over there.
they could maybe even make it for you in various sizes because once they know to
Yeah.
do this.
I don't know from where Preeti has bought them, but I'm sure
Yeah,
you
you
can.
get it.
Yeah.
This Thailand shops, where the Thailand material is there, there you get them.
Rashmi,
is from
please put
Thailand.
it on the chat later on.
Yeah,
please.
yeah, we'll put it on the
Yeah.
chat.
Yeah.
सबसे बड़ा वाला है।
So all of your containers, there's water inside them?
Yeah, I've already put water so that we
Okay.
don't waste time
Okay.
putting the water. So they are in various sizes and the colors are also variating, which I thought makes it interesting. They have a little ceramic frangipani flower at the bottom, so that also gives it a very Indian look. So when
we have to go to Thailand to get one of these.
no, these vases are very much made in India.
Okay.
There's this lady from Calcutta who has made them and she has exhibited in some exhibition.
Okay. Sorry.
There are also these frangipani leaves, which have, it's just patterned like that, on which I'm using 2 diyas. Just to make a table setting.
Okay.
You can also put a runner at the bottom if you want to add more color. Now the material that I've used for this arrangement is a very, very basic material, which is like so easily available in the other market. It's like they sell it like very cheap also. But when I looked at this material, and I always get intrigued by their, it has this beautiful pattern, a very herringbone pattern.
Wow,
So
beautiful.
when you clean the material looks like this. But when you clean it and you find this kind of a pattern. So
Wow.
I felt it looked like a diye ki law. So flame of the diyas. So I just thought I'll use this. But now with this, I wanted the color also. So I've attached the heliconia, which is a very common heliconia. So that also has this herringbone pattern.
Very nice. Beautiful.
I'm using these small pin holders, which I'm just adding to each. Are we running late?
No, everybody's so mesmerized, they're not even complaining about anything. Like we're all
Basically, we are all enjoying it.
absolutely.
I'm happy that you will learn something from it. I'll feel happy. So basically, when you're cleaning this material, you just remove all the shreds and you cut off all that is not required and just keep the main vein. Okay, like this. So you just keep all the main veins and remove all that is not required.
Okay.
I've already joined a few of them, but I'll join one in front of you to show you how it is joined. So basically these flowers come like this, and so I have this. So I will not put the flowers in the front because I want this vein to show. So the flowers will come at the back. So you space it out and then you tie it with wire. Even the wires, we use the Japanese wire. So if you're using for a white base, you use this metal wire and you tie it to this.
So the use of the flowers would be in an odd number. Like, should we go like 3, 5, 7 or the heliconias per stem?
Yes, yeah, like no, per stem it doesn't matter because once you make it a composite, when it becomes one, then it looks like one.
So it doesn't matter. Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't matter whether there are 2 or 3 or 4.
Okay.
Because it ceases to be one.
Okay.
It's become, now the 2 have become 1.
Okay.
Dipti, I can't see the video anymore.
It's showing your videos off, Kalpana. I didn't do it.
क्या हुआ?
Just try. Are you using your laptop? Just see your video has gone off.
No, I'm using my phone actually.
Just why don't you disconnect and then try to connect again?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah, yeah.
Now the most important thing is when you are inserting inside. Now this is a wooden, the wooden stick is over here. So I will cut it little lower so that I get some natural material to put it into the pin holder. It's easier to do it that way.
Members, I hope you have understood.
Yes.
She's using the heliconia stems to insert in the pin, because the wood will be difficult to insert, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now I will, they are all of different heights. So I will see where it will look nice. I'll make it higher and lower accordingly.
It's already looking so beautiful.
And these arrangements are to be viewed from all sides. So even if from the back side, even if you can see the flowers, from one side you can see the flowers, and from one side you can see the veins with the flowers in it.
It's so innovative.
This is beautiful.
I changed that because that pin holder is very small and it could not take the
Take the
balance
weight.
of this.
Okay.
Yes. So accordingly, and I just realized this, I put it ulta. So if you feel your pin holder requires a smaller pin holder, I would change it. This one is lighter, so I'll put a smaller pin holder for this. So always according to the kind of material you're using, you must select your pin holder.
Okay.
So you see, I'm just cutting slightly below the.
Vibha, is there a particular name for these wooden structures what we have used, or like any local name, so that for members?
I really don't know what it is called, but there's one Shrikant Pattawala in Dadar market. He always has it. So
Gayatri Bhabhi, would you know the name of this?
No, I'll give you the telephone number of him.
Yeah.
And you send the picture. I have his telephone number.
Anybody else, Harinakshi ma'am or Taruna, if any of you all know the name of this material, so it would help our members.
He calls it as Mitsumata.
No, it's
No,
not
Mitsumata nahi hai.
He calls it Mitsumata. Shrikant calls it Mitsumata.
Acha, he
Okay,
calls.
okay. So this is what I buy from him. Now Rajshri sent me very beautiful.
And we will put the number and the name also. Don't worry.
Great, great.
Yeah. So you.
I wanted this arrangement to be very simple because I just want the beauty of the light, you know, the diyas and the light on the table. And then the rest you can play on the table with other things. But the starkness of, you know, the idea of just the lamps and the diya is what I wanted to project. And then she sent me these beautiful anthurium leaves, which I just could not resist using. I was going to do something else at the bottom for the pin holders, but I just thought they were so pretty. I didn't want them to be wasted. But I don't know whether it's not really going to help cover the pin holder. I'll just see. Or you can use Rajma, because Rajma has got that same color as this. You can just cover your pin holder with the Rajma. So just add that little color at the bottom also.
Akshata.
I'm seeing some Rajmas are even floating to the top. So just realizing that.
What do you think this arrangement will go best where?
On the dining table, if it's a buffet. And if it's a sit down, you can't have such tall things right in front. Also, one more thing, if you want to add, like you want to add a connection, you can just sort of make the same herringbone pattern on these leaves. So you just sort of cut them off and remove them like this.
Are these leaves from the heliconia flower stem?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So suppose on this side you cut on over here, then the other side you cut it on the opposite side. So you can sort of just use it for connecting. So you just cut them off into herringbone
Beautiful.
shape. So
Beautiful.
you just sort of connect it, even though the idea is very simple, but it just adds a little more drama to the arrangement.
It's giving it a flow.
Yeah. So I'm not going to add. Do you want me to add more of these?
Why
Or should
not?
we go to the next arrangement?
Maybe just add them without cutting them, so at least we know the flow. So that would
Okay.
save us the time.
Okay. Later, I will send you the photos.
Yeah.
With
So here also we are going to play with the direction in which the leaves are placed according to their shape.
But actually, I would like to show the flame as it is. You know, adding
Okay.
the leaves is not. It's taking away from the flame.
Okay.
So
So
I would
to
like to
on
add
its
it.
own. Okay.
You know, I could like just make a round of this thing down at the bottom. That would be better, because then at least, you know, the diya ka jo we are trying to show the law is what we want to, you know, maintain and keep. So I really am not for this, but I just wanted to show an idea that you can cut like this and join
Use it.
if you want
Okay.
to. So I like the starkness of this. I'm playing around with the containers here. The containers are beautiful. That's why I want to show that. And the arrangement is very simple.
Perfect. It's
Okay.
beautiful.
So this is
It's
my
beautiful.
third arrangement.
So if any of us do not have these placement mats, maybe we could use a nice runner also and then do this placing. Instead of we don't have these circular placement, the bamboo ones. So we could maybe have these bowls on a runner.
Yeah, you could have it on a runner, or you could come up with some other idea. Like I like this herringbone thing. You could maybe find a shell shape something. So maybe you have shells, you put the shells and you create a shell kind of a structure. It all depends on what kind of a material you find
have. Okay.
and how your ideas flow.
Okay.
So that is important.
Because I know all the members must be running through their mind, oh, we don't have this particular bowl and we don't have this particular mat. So our arrangement might not look this beautiful. So
I think for all you know, you may come up with an even more exciting option. The moment you start thinking, you never know, you know, the human mind is so creative that each one has so much of creativity in them, and they'll have so many options.
Vibha ji is giving us the ideas, and we have to stimulate
exactly,
whatever we
exactly.
have.
And with what
He's
material
showing us
we
the
have.
way, the path.
Yeah.
And then we have to put our own ideas and, you know, take it from there.
Like Diwali is a very Indian festival. So how do you contemporize it? So, you know, there's a diya and the flame. Actually, the flame was, you know, a very impromptu thing which came up from my son-in-law. He passed and he said, these look like diyas, you know, they look like diya ka flames. And I just thought, yes, it does, you know.
Okay.
So sometimes ideas just flow. I'll go on to my next arrangement, which is a coffee table arrangement. For this, I have used, actually, I find them very ugly. They are plastic sea ferns, which are very easily available with all these four walls, pollination, and all of them have it. But sometimes I feel even ugly things can be made to look subtle and beautiful. So I realized that they separate like this. So I have sort of made a formation out of that with this. So it's just that I was experimenting. What should I do? Should I use it like this? Should I what should I do? Should I turn it upside down? should I fill something inside it? And you know, nothing was satisfying me. And then suddenly I realized, oh, I can, you know, sort of fold it and make a sort of a shape. And then you just sort of fold in whatever part inside and, you know, tie up little bits and give it a shape. And then I found the brown part more beautiful. So I've kept it up and the red adds subtly inside.
So Vibha,
Okay.
this is available in these particular colors shaded or
no, I think there are many other colors also available.
Okay.
You may find even in white and
Okay.
cream, but this is what I had with me, and
Okay.
so
Okay.
I have used this. I have not bought anything specially for this demo.
Okay.
Whatever was with me, I have used, and these have little gaps, so you know you can put your vases or anything inside. And then just as I kept on thinking, and I thought, let me play with the shola flowers a little more. So that's how I made the shape. I tied it with wire, and that's how I got this shape. So I have used shola flowers again here, but these are a different variety. They are more like pom-poms.
Yeah.
So I have used it ulta because even the ulta pattern was nice, just to give it a little, you know, a little different feel. And some I've used seedha. I have not stuck them. I only stuck the one inside. Along with that, I'm using these bamboo mats. So I had only one piece and I borrowed two from my student Kamini, and they all so readily helped everyone. I just had to call them and everything was here. So I'm just sort of making a sort of a pattern, like whatever will look nice with these mats. You can use any type of mats. If you don't have mats, you get sticks in the market. You can just join together and make a mat, your own mat. I'm using glass baubles with this. I hope the placement's looking fine. I can't see from.
Oh, it is looking perfect.
And this little vase was gifted to me by my dear friend Nalini. And I just felt so happy using it. And I just feel she's here right now watching the demo. I used this black vase because it merges with the black inside. Of course, when you're using it on your coffee table, you will stick these flowers with the glue gun. You will not leave them open free like this.
Okay.
So since it's a coffee table arrangement, it should be viewable from all sides. Here again, I wanted to keep things very simple.
So are these also some random greens that you're using?
Yeah, they are random greens, but I'm sure they have a botanical name, but I do not know what they're called. They've got like little green berries on it, but I know Lopa also gets them, and Lopa, she supplies all the greens and flowers, and she supplies them sometimes. don't know if I'm getting the angles right. I can't see.
हमें तो सब एंगल से सुंदर ही लग रहा है.
The little container inside has a pin holder, so I will just. And for color, I'm just going to add. Rajshri sent me these beautiful exoras, and I just thought, let the whole design show and just a little bit of color pop inside. These flowers, so everyone knows, and I'm sure every Juhu mein to y'all are blessed with, everyone
Yes.
blessed with gardens. So it's so readily available, and it just gives a very nice look. So whatever flowers have, sort of fallen off, you can just remove it. Sort of looking disconnected, so I'm going to cut it a bit. Cutter कहाँ गया? Cutter?
Just check under the tray.
अरे कटर कहाँ जाएगा? वहाँ कैसे चला गया? It was looking too long, so I'm going to cut it. Sometimes what happens when you're changing placement of vases, what you had sort of, envisioned and thought, I will do it this way. It position changes. So accordingly, you have to make changes to your material. That was looking a bit too long. Because Ikebana is a very temporary thing. It's something that you enjoy for the moment. And every time you do it a second time, it will never turn out the way you had done it the first time over.
Yes.
I'm just feeling that there's a lacking of a little green inside. So the beauty of the structure is it's got a lot of open spaces through which I can sort of adjust my material. It doesn't work there, so I'll have to change the position. Okay, this is my coffee table arrangement.
Very beautiful.
Wow. Wow. So creative it is.
It's
And
just like, just the amalgamation of color, because in Ikebana, everything has to be like a kaleidoscope, like you merge colors in a painting. It's not, nothing is like, some things can be very stark and simple, but certain things, when they are merged, the way they are merged, there's beauty in that, the way you color the arrangement.
Beautiful.
Vibha, this white material is that same one which we used in the Toran?
Yes.
Ye white. हाँ,
It's the same material, but it is of a different shape. It's
Dudhi nut.
No, this is not Dudhi lat. Yeah,
No.
the Dudhi lat is over
Yeah,
here.
exactly. That is what. Yeah.
Yeah. And these flowers are a little more thicker and they're more like pom-poms. The other ones which are used in the Toran are more flat.
But
Exactly.
these are Sole flowers only, no?
Yeah, Sola wood.
Yeah, Shola flowers.
Beautiful.
इसमें ही रहने देते हैं, वो table इधर ले आते हैं. I'll just move this table because to move this arrangement is difficult, so that I can
Yes.
click a picture later.
Mute
This is
only.
the last.
Beautiful.
Please let us know from where we can buy these materials.
If we have
If
to
you
make
want a
it,
shortcut, you can always order with us. We're always there, and we deliver all over Bombay, and you can always order. But if you want to make on your own, these Shola flowers are available in Calcutta, even these Dudhi lat. But if you order in people in Dadar, we will get it for you. So there's also one guy. Yeah.
no, आप continue करिए.
And there's also another guy in Dadar who comes seasonally. He comes with the 70 flowers.
Okay.
So if you know him, Prabhu Shaw.
आज भी टेनिस ही खेलेगा क्या?
So if
So
we,
but आज हम उसको थोड़ा जल्दी लेके जा रहे हैं. I told him कि
hey, one second, somebody's talking in between.
Somebody's
Sorry.
talking.
Yeah, we just put her on mute.
but उसको actually
Yeah.
allowed ही नहीं.
Allowed.
I hope everybody will really try and do some arrangement at the house. And really, if you find it difficult or you want any tips, I can always help you. Give me a
Great.
call and I will help you out.
Great.
Rajshri is the most helpful person. I just had to call her and she sent me so much material. But because we were communicating long distance, she didn't realize what vase and what I'm using. So, but still, nevertheless, it was helpful.
Yeah.
Is this clear? This table is okay?
Yeah.
My last arrangement is in a self-made container. I have made this vase myself. And
Wow.
it's got lovely grooves
Beautiful.
in it. If you can see,
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't know if you can see the pattern.
Yes,
inside.
we can see.
We
We
can.
can.
So it naturally forms a grid for the, holding the stem. I'm using one round pin holder in it. And when the vase is so fancy and when the vase is so beautiful, you don't want to make a very complicated design. Rani, कैसे लाइए? I made a structure out of this bath kathi. It's called bath kathi. It's a very cheap material available in Calcutta again. It's also called jute stick.
Did you say jute sticks?
Yes.
Yeah, they're called jute sticks, or locally the Bengalis call it bath kathi.
You get it from Srikant also.
But can this
Yeah.
be? This
Yeah.
can be done with the reed sticks what are available, or are they
Any sticks. You can use bamboo sticks. You can use, but these have, because this color was merging with my container and I had this sticks with me, I have used this. But you can use whatever you like to create your formation.
And you have got this together with the wire, right?
Yes. I have tied it with the wire. I've used a brown wire so that you can't see. I've also painted all the edges. They were all looking white. So all these little details you have to look into when you are making an ikebana arrangement, because it's a work of art. So there's no room for, leaving something not properly finished.
And this is absolutely random. The
shape?
Yeah.
No, the shape I was inspired because of the grooves that were inside. But then finally, when you really go to make the thing, it turns out to be something different only.
Okay.
So I got inspired with the maze which was inside. But then when it came together, it didn't look that way. So, but that's perfectly okay. As long as it's looking balanced and it's looking nice, it's all right to do that.
Okay.
Along with this, I'm using these Japanese ferns. Mala was kind enough, Mala, my friend, she was kind enough to give me these ferns, and I've colored some of them orange and I've left some of them natural. Now, because this arrangement is so large, I need volume in it. So I just thought these leaves, though they are light and airy, they will add volume and it will still add color to it.
So, Vibha, these Japanese ferns, they are like a dry, would you call it a dry material, or?
Yeah, they are actually made from fresh material, but which are the Japanese will never share with you their technique of doing this.
Okay.
So they are the only ones who do these bleached ferns, and they're available in plenty in Japan, and many other types are also available, but I have these right now.
And
so now to achieve,
we can reuse them, right?
Yes. Yeah. You can reuse them till, I think, for ages, like at least quite a few years.
Okay.
Now, when I had colored these, I didn't get it from like one single color. So I've used the colors from Design Master Oasis, and I have used 3 colors in this. So I've used coral with a little tinge of red and a little tinge of yellow to give it that very autumn natural look. And now autumn is the season which is just going to hit us in some time.
Yeah.
So there's something pleasant, and then it's a warm color, so nice for Diwali also. So any sideboard or any table you can put this arrangement.
So friends, just to update you, these Design Master colors, they are cans of spray colors which are readily available. We'll share the site with you all. So a lot of colors are available.
So I'm just sort of putting them in layers so that it adds a depth of color.
And you're securing them in the pin holder, right?
Yeah, I have a pin holder down.
Yeah.
Along with this, I'm just going to use plain white flowers because the vase is so overwhelming and the color is so strong. So I don't want to use too much in this. So the day I had sort of practiced with this, I don't know, I keep losing my cutter. So the day I practiced with it, this bud was closed. So now it's a bit too much, so I'm going to cut it off. So it's nothing like if you've done something once and it will turn out the same way. You have to modify and think what will work for you. रानी इसमें पानी डाल. I have these lovely gardenia branches again from Rajshree's place.
So friends, we all members, we know where to run for all the greens and the flowers.
Yes. Anytime.
But
Ruchi, if you can hear me, we didn't understand your question too well. Where do we get the pink and black sheets which were used? Can you unmute yourself and let us know?
Ma'am, in the first arrangement, you all have used the that sheet which was folded inside.
which first arrangement?
The table arrangement before this, the colored wired which was folded and put upside down.
Oh, okay. That's actually a artificial sea fern.
Okay, artificial sea fern.
It is an artificial sea fern. It's available with pollination. I had bought it from them. It's pollination, if you know, it's in that Lakshmi Industrial Estate.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
It looks like this. So it's actually natural जो sea fern होते हैं ना जो पानी में उगते हैं. But this is an artificial one. So this has it's got a wire inside, so I can sort of bend it and tie it. And then shape it and make whatever shape I want. And since I don't like this dirty red, I've used the brown side up so that the red reflects only a little bit at the bottom.
Right. Thank you.
Okay, this is my last arrangement. I hope
Lovely.
It's beautiful.
Just simple.
Really, Vibha. Really, an artist does not create a work of art. She puts a life into it. And Vibha has done it and shown us that she has put a life into it. Now,
I just want to thank,
1 minute. One before
I just
that.
want to thank you all for this lovely gift hamper that you all. I didn't expect Rajshri to send this to me, but it was so sweet, and it had a personalized. It has my name on it,